Hey, what's up guys? My name is Matt Zimmerman and I'm the CEO of BeastCode, and today I'm going to show you the future of PLM and how our digital twin technology integrates with PTC's WindChill. For this demonstration, we're using Google Chrome, and we have one tab loaded with PTC WindChill and another with our BeastCore technology. The first thing you see when you load WindChill is a list of the different systems. In this case, we're looking for the cryogenic cooling system, and we're going to open a valve. Once you open the valve, we have the 3D model loaded that's interactive. And then a list of the different attributes: materials, pressures, flow rates. Now we're going to jump into the BeastCore software, where we're going to load in the spaceship that system and the valve are integrated into. So upon loading, you can see a full visual representation of the USS Never Sleeps and the different systems. And we're searching for that same chill water valve, number 8. And when you select a component, it'll jump back to the 3D viewer and zoom to the valve in 3D. Now when we pull up the information panel, we can see the same data fields that we saw in the PTC WindChill environment. Next, we're going to come back into PTC WindChill. We're going to check out that component and we're going to modify some of the data so that we can see the changes and how they flow down into our digital twin technology. So from this screen, I am going to change the material from stainless steel to nickel. Change the maximum pressure from 600 to 300. Change the inlet thread size and the flow rate. Once I save and check in my changes, I'm able to give it a comment saying what my change was. And then commit those modifications. Now when we jump back into the BeastCore digital twin environment, I can refresh the information and you can see all the changes we just made. Next, we're going to jump back into the PTC WindChill environment and take a look at the tech manuals that are associated with the valve we've been working with. In this case, we have 3 of them. And if we go back to the 3D digital twin, we can pull up those same 3 tech manuals and choose the schematic and see what that looks like. If we go back into WindChill, we can add an existing document to our valve. From this interface, we can set keywords, numbers, names, authors that are affiliated with our new tech manual, and select a document that we want to associate with the model. We can see the 4th document has been added to our list. And if we jump into BeastCore, open tech manuals, we can see the new document has been added to our list, select it, and view it. So why is this cool? Now you can have part of your workforce in the PTC WindChill environment that's authoring and modifying configuration data and tech manuals. And then the other part of your workforce that's on the front line using BeastCode's digital twin technology to actually access the information and facilitate their day-to-day jobs. For the last part of our demo, we'll show you how we can use our digital twin technology to create digital workflows for legacy processes. In this case, we've added a problem report button where you can report an issue with the selected component in the digital twin. So in this case, we're going to say missing page from custom reference manual. We'll categorize it and give it a priority. And when we submit it, it's sent to PTC WindChill. So if we go back to our WindChill environment, click on the Changes tab, refresh our browser, we can see that the problem report that we just posted has been added. So here's how this benefits you. In the demonstration, we created a report problem feature, but this could really be any process, such as creating a work package to execute maintenance or running through a procedure. And this not only makes it easier for your workforce, but reduces the amount of time it takes to execute a task, and we're able to capture all the information along the way to do even more cool stuff with.